Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Samsung TV and your Android phone, then connect both to the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids routing delays and firewall blocks. Once done, open the TV settings and enable screen mirroring or Smart View so it can accept incoming connections. Make sure your phone has the Samsung Smart View or a Miracast-capable casting app installed and updated. This provides the necessary protocol support and security handshake for a stable link. You now open the casting function on your Android. Pull down Quick Settings for Cast or launch the Smart View app, then select the Samsung TV listed. When the TV displays a pairing code, compare it to the phone and confirm. This prevents accidental connections from other devices. After accepting, you may need to grant screen capture permission on the phone. Do so. Once paired, adjust orientation and volume to preview how media appears on the larger screen. To finish, optimize the experience by closing heavy phone apps and, if possible, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for lower latency and fewer dropouts. Make sure the TV input or Smart Hub is showing the mirroring session. Sometimes you must switch inputs to reveal the cast. If the connection fails, restart the phone and TV, then toggle Wi-Fi. This clears transient network conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: verify both devices are on the same subnet. Mismatched networks block discovery and pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.